Let's try this full session of the 239 questions we gotta know for the final tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna go through everything like how I've been studying each of the 7 Kahoots. Just gonna go through them straight through with the play solo option on classic mode. Let's get this started. All the membrane-bound organelles do not have principle is pteroglycan may be on the cell as outer membrane for those gram-negative bacteria. Violet goes with peptidoglycan. Safranin for the gram-negative is going to go to the outer. Thick fermentation. Beta antithesis, tuberculosis, prey, streptococcus, CD. So Woody's agar should be Listeria monocytes. Gonorrhea Neisseria have capsular. Pretty sure it was Haemophilus. Turbacterius type 3, secrete. TCPS. Yeah, opportunistic is P. originosa, so TCPS is Tessus bordetella, Brucellosis brucella, Leuemia francisella, Syphilis treponema, botulism, pretty sure Clostridium, aerobic lactobacillus, lactate, Lyme disease. Okay, because we know mycoplasma is without the cell, so Lyme disease has to be Borrelia process agent. Mycoplasma. So So if you do the math, you can see that it's actually pretty constant. So anything with constant is correct. So this one should be. So this is going to be the lag phase. Chemostat. It's going to be basic concentration. Decreases rapidly. Glucose and copper. It does both. Kahoot Practice or reduce. That's so exciting. Alrighty, we got the 65 out of 65. Move on to the next one. Bacteriology. Oh no, that's the one we just did. So we're on virology. This one has the one with the 8 steps. We're gonna try to recognize those. Virus classification. Most common popular nucleocapsid. First contact. Recognition and target cell. Okay, so we got our first one wrong. Union between this one should be step. Oh, this one is penetration. So the initial step is. Finished, it's gonna do when they go out, it should be released, but they have it as a sample. Okay, steps. First step, you know, acquisition is first. This one's the 7th. This one's the 3rd. This one's the 5th. So first step, acquisition. Second step should be the initiation of infection. This one's the 8th step, this is the 4th step, this is the 6th step. Third step is the activation of innate protection, so this is first, 5th step, 6th step. 4th step should be the incubation period, this is the 8th. Okay, this is the 2nd, this is the 6th. Incubation period is the 5th step should be replication in the target tissue. This is first. Incubation of 8. This one's 7. This is 3rd. So replication of target tissue. 6th step should be the host response. Initiation of infection. Primary site should be 2nd step. 4th step, 8th step. 7th step is the contagious to others. 1st step. 5th step. third step. Last step is the resolution one. Fourth step, sixth step, second step. Let's keep on going. Destroys the host. It doesn't destroy exocyte. HIV causes AIDS. Acute lymphoma should be Epstein-Barr. Chikungunya virus. Virus. Dengue. Hantavirus. Mononucleosis, also Epstein-Barr. Yellow fever virus. To determine the virus, the most common is PCR. The most is Elisa. Yes. Because rabies virus. Hepatitis virus. Rubella virus. And chickenpox, varicella zoster. Okay, we got one wrong. One wrong we got. Oh. Okay, yes, it was this one. The first contact is the recognition of targets though. I was getting confused with one of the other questions in the Kahoots. This is one I gotta review later. Okay, let's keep on going. One guy. Okay. Let's do it. This one was the second one I started reviewing yesterday. I haven't seen this one in a good while. This one guy. No simple fungi. How do yeast reproduce? Since these ones are unicellular, reproducing fish, prokaryotes, molds are apical extension. Yeast are unicellular, not acellular, but uni. Mold are multicellular, eukaryotic. Hyphae, then produced by hyphae together, mycelium. Okay, sexual and asexual. Sexual should be telomorph, asexual anamorph. Naked, unspecialized. Aerobic, subtropic. And they found soil vegetation producing the air. Aerobic. They're only parasitic when they can reproduce asexually, post-respiratory. Same shape. It's gonna be opportunistic. Shape is gonna be primary. That's the next. America. Deviasis. Okay, dermatitis, we're going to go with something with water, so like Great Lakes or St. Lawrence. Archaeodis is from Mexico, parts of Mexico. Still plants. This one's the right side of the US, so eastern half. Para is the South America and Central America. Candidiasis. Meningitis, the crypto dudes. process function. Okay. Pretty sure this one is possible. First step. Actually, first step is microscopy and stain. Then the second step is culture to test sensitivity. Microscopy and stain. Then we culture out. Second step is to culture to test sensitivity. Confirm is going to be molecular identification. And this one, you might think that it's also molecular identification because we're trying to identify, but the keyword here is external structures, which it has to refer to serology. That's all of them for fungi. Now we move on to parasites. Let's keep it going. So far we've missed one. The main classification of parasites. Protozoa, helminths, other. Protozoa is not the one with protozoa in it, it's actually going to be the amoeba ciliate sporozoa. And helminths are the one with nematodes, which kind of arthropods, insecta, wings. Many legs, don't be fooled with Auricula, we're going to go with Myriapoda. The one that says 8 legs will be Auricula. External carapace, the crustacea. And here we go, 8 legs, venomous fangs, that one's Auricula. Okay. Protozoa, what do they have? Vision. Only in helminths, hermaphroditic. Arthropods, separate sexes. Sporozoa. Ingestion. Parasitic direct penetration. Squeeze out. Parasitic radiation, temperature, and something else. Oh yeah, transcription false differences. Histamine release and flat. Antigen cell surface. Antigen cell surface. Okay, this one we gotta be careful. Antigen on the cell surface itself is gonna be cytotoxic. Complex with complex in it, any piece of reaction. Okay. Definitely gotta review this because I was a little confused here. T-cell reaction with antigen and liberation of lymphokines. Cell mediated delayed. Okay. Parasite product. This one's ironic because it's actually endotoxic. Blockage of internal organs. Duodenalis, something with diarrhea. Malaria, plasmodium, so this one has to be dysentery. Duodenalis is going to be hookworm. Leishmaniasis. Plasmodium, malaria. Step also. Okay, this one has to do with macro and micro. First step is macro formation. Second step is micro. laboratory method for parasitic diseases you do. Oh, no external structure. See that serological examination for slightly review. Yeah. Genetic information. Organism. Culture. The one where you multiply another animal. Or no. Test a parasite with methods on another living being is N1. Okay, got that one done. So, fungi and parasites are done, and we move on to the shorter ones. History of microbes. Antimicrobial 18th century. 18th century has to do with Otto Muller. Germ theory. 40. Frederick Hamlet. Louis Pasteur. First bacteria. Alexander Fleming. The dog. Streptomycin. The wax man. First to cultivate viruses. The Enderman. Galileo Galilei. Brightfield. Field. Phase contrast. Wavelength fluorescent. Electron microscopy. Electron microscope. Direct examination. Differential. Gram stain is a differential, as well as iron hematoxylin. Acids or alcohols. Acid fast ionicin. First antibody fluorescence. This was also fluorescent. No! Oh! Okay, that one doesn't count. I completely misclicked the fluorescent stains. Okie dokie. Alright, so now we move on to the last two signaling. And is going to be stem cell, epithelial, endocrine nearby, endocrine distant, contact first, receptor, signal come together, so post response, hydrophobic, and just needs a simple receptors and proteins. Hydrophilic would need a more complex transmembrane receptor. protein cell. Alpha. One time. Sorry, it's a code. Intrinsic enzyme activity. Something with shifting electric charge. System, the CFTR edit. Peace. Alrighty, that one's good. I will go to the last one, back to. Okay. I'm going through these a lot quicker than I expected. So that's good. 40%. Dog and cat bite is the PM gastroenteritis, gastroenteritis, E. coli, diarrhea, fever, salmonella. Watery diarrhea is going to be the Vibrio coli. It's opportunistic, Pseudomonas also. Okay, this one's a weird one. Lung infection with abscess of the colon. Hard to find. So it has to do with diarrhea. So we might think Vibrio salmonella. We already used this one with the dog and cat bite, so we're gonna go with this. Gastritis, peptic ulcers, H. Suddenly with this, suddenly with all these symptoms, Legionella botulinum clostridium, slowly developing infection, clostridium, relapsing to something with recurrence, something with pneumonia in it. Ketsy or Ketsy. Oh, blindness, you can actually get blind from chlamydia. And that's everything. So that's, yep, that's going through all 239 cards. Looks like the recording was able to handle all of that. So we technically only missed one question right here. So we got 238 out of 239 correct. Missed this one. First contact is recognition of target cell. Alrighty. Yeah, I'll probably do another run through with my classmates later today, but that's everything.